Today, I will show you my step-by-step process how to get started with Seesaw.
If you're signing up, you need to choose, of course, I'm a teacher. Since this is a tutorial for teachers, fill out all the information to create the account. You can also sign up using your Google account. I will sign in because I already have my account. Of course, I have a class created, but I will show you how to create a new class since you are just starting out. When you're starting out, you will be prompted to create it right away, but I will show you how to create a new class from the settings. Here you can name your class, you can choose the grade level, or you can import from Google Classroom. Always click this green check button, which means that you submit and you save it. Here's the main feed. Here you will see the activities that you assign to your students, if they responded, finish the activity and send it back to you. Here I have my class students. You can add students here. Seesaw gives you the instruction how you can do this. You can use home learning codes if your students use Seesaw at home for distance learning. It will be a separate home learning code. You can give them this QR code and they will scan it with its device. It can be a tablet or phone, and you can also add students yourself. Here you will add, for example, test, add student, set the email, so it can be the family members. You can do it yourself or paste a list of students' names. You can also print the student sign-in poster. This is very cool for the classroom because they will just scan it with their device and they will enter your class in Seesaw.